What if everything you're about to hear is a lie?
This channel made over $50,000 last month by exploiting that exact question. This channel, Sleepwise, launched just 6 months ago, and they've already racked up 110,000 subscribers from only 22 videos. And look at this, most of their videos have hundreds of thousands of views, with one even crossing 1 million. Now, I know what you're thinking, is this channel monetized? Yes, they earn $1,200 per video from ads alone. But the real goldmine, their videos are 3 hours long, which means way more ad revenue. But the secret behind their success isn't just the video length, it's the way they've blended two powerful niches into one irresistible format. Remember how some creators mixed stick figure animation with self-improvement and made a fortune? This is even better. Let me explain. Instead of making just relaxation content or just deep, thought-provoking content, they blended the two into a unique hybrid niche. Deep topics like philosophy, science, and dark storytelling with calm voiceover and ambient music, which helps people relax and fall asleep. This brilliant combo keeps viewers watching for hours, and YouTube loves that. And the best part? This niche has low competition, meaning huge potential for new creators like you. Now, let's walk through how you can replicate this strategy and build your own Sleepwise-style channel from scratch. We'll cover finding viral topics in seconds, writing engaging scripts with AI, generating stunning images, adding professional voiceovers, editing everything into a binge-worthy video, and finally compressing the file to a smaller size since the videos are always long. I'm also giving away a paid tool for free at the end of this video. This is a tool I personally use to compress large files while keeping ultra-high video quality. So stick around because this will save you hours. To prove how easy this is, here's a quick demo video I created using this exact method.
Close your eyes and imagine drifting through an endless sea of darkness. No body, no world, no stars. Just you, a lone consciousness untethered from time and space. Tonight, we descend into one of the most unsettling ideas in cosmology. An idea that dissolves the boundaries between illusion and truth. An idea that asks, are you alone in the universe? Let's begin.
Pretty cool, right? If this excites you, hit that like button and subscribe, because we're about to dive in. Step 1. Finding viral topics. Instead of wasting hours brainstorming, let's use AI to do all the work for us. I've already created the perfect detailed prompt list to make this super easy. How to get viral video topics in seconds. Join my Discord, link in description, and go to the prompts channel. Find the Google Doc titled Sleepwise. It has everything you need. To generate a topic, look for the topic heading in the document and copy everything under it. Now head to your preferred AI chat model. You can use ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or QuenAI. For this demonstration, I'll be using DeepSeek. Copy and paste the prompt, then scroll to the top. Make 2 quick changes. First, specify the number of topics you want to generate. Let's set it to 20 for this demo. Then scroll down and update the number here as well. Hit enter and wait for DeepSeek to generate solid topics. Keep in mind, if you have deep thinking and search toggled on, it might take a few extra seconds. Pick one, and let's move to scripting. Step 2. Writing the script. Looking at Sleepwise channel, their videos are long form, meaning scripts can be 30,000 to 50,000 words. AI won't generate that all at once without overwhelming you. Here's the trick. Copy the script outline prompt from the Google document. Paste it into DeepSeek AI and customize it with your chosen topic. For this example, I'm going with this topic. Next, specify how many segments you want the script divided into. Let's break this into 8. Hit enter and let DeepSeek generate the full outline. The AI provides detailed sections under each segment. Now expand each segment one by one. Go back to the doc, copy the script expansion prompt, add the segment and topic, and hit enter. Type continue with the next segment, and DeepSeek will do the rest. Step 3. AI-generated images. Copy the image generation prompt from my Google document. Paste it into DeepSeek AI and choose your preferred style. I added 4 styles. Pick one and delete the others. Hit generate. Now, head to Leonardo AI link in description, select Flux Schnell mode, change the aspect ratio to landscape, and paste each prompt. In seconds, you get stunning high-quality images for your video. Step 4. AI voiceovers. No need for expensive microphones. Use Clipchamp, free, or 11 Labs, premium. For this demo, I'll use Microsoft Clipchamp. Paste your script. Choose a natural-sounding voice, adjust the tone, and hit generate. Done. Step 5. Editing and uploading. Use CapCut. It's free and beginner-friendly. First, import all your images and voiceover into CapCut. Normally, the voiceover would go on the timeline first, but let's start with the intro text. Go to text and grab the default one, drop it into the timeline, and extend it to about 1.5 to 2 seconds. Type in your channel name and resize it. You can also choose your preferred font. For this demonstration, I'll go with this one. We need to add a particle effect to the video, so go to a stock footage platform and search for particles. For me, I go to Pinterest. There are a lot of free stock footage options. I like this one, so I copy the link, head to a Pinterest downloader, and download the video. Now, add the video to the timeline and place it in the right dimension. Go to Animation and add the Fade-In Entrance animation. The duration is already set to 0.5 seconds, so there's no need to change it. Now, apply the same fade-in animation to the particle effect clip. The entrance animation looks good. Now, it's time to bring in the narration and drop it after the text has been displayed. Clipchamp exports your narration as a video, so all you need to do is extract the audio from the video and delete the video. AI voices are improving, but they still have long pauses, so go through and remove them. Be careful not to remove too much since this narration style still requires natural pauses. Keep playing it back to ensure it sounds right. Now, it's time to bring in the images. Arrange them according to the flow of your story. To make them stand out, add a border. Select the image clip, go to Basic, and scroll down to look for canvas. If it's not showing, that means the clip isn't on the cover layer. To fix this, right-click the image and create a compound clip. Once that's done, double-click the compound clip and drag the image to the cover layer. Now go to Basic, and you'll see the canvas option. Click the drop-down, select Color, and choose your preferred border color. This one works fine, so I'll go with it. Scroll up and reduce the scale to 99%. Now, go back to your main composition and slightly scale down the image. Next, you need to add text at the top of the image. Grab the default text, drop it into the timeline, position the text above the image. Add the title of the segment and resize it, making sure it aligns with the image. This might seem like a lot of work, but you only need to do it once. Now, scale it up slightly and ensure the text aligns properly with the image. Now, duplicate the text layer again and change the text to your channel name. Reposition it to the right of your image. Feel free to use any font you like and also make the color slightly darker. Now, select all these layers except for the cover layer and stretch them to where the next image should start. Don't forget to duplicate the particle effect as many times as needed to cover the entire narration. Also, make sure to remove the fade-in effect from every copy of the particle effect except for the first one. And add a mixed transition to the particle effect. For the next image, copy the compound clip and paste it. Then, double-click to open it and drag your next image over the old one. When prompted, select Replace Clip, and your new image will automatically inherit all the effects from the previous one. Go back to the main composition, and you'll see the new image in place. Now, select all the text layers, copy and paste them on top of the new compound clip. The only thing you need to change here is the segment title. Repeat this process for the entire duration of your narration. Now, one final touch. Copy the particle videos and paste them above the entire video, then reduce the opacity. This adds motion to the entire video, giving it a calm feel. The video is already looking good. Lastly, let's add calm, soothing background music. You can get some from the YouTube audio library, but for the purpose of this video, I will use one from CapCut itself. Reduce the volume.
Close your eyes and imagine drifting through an endless sea of darkness.
And then we're done. So you can go ahead and export it at 1080p, 2K, or 4K resolution. Final step, I got a 1.18 GB video file that's going to take forever to upload. Let's fix that in seconds. With Wondershare Uni-Converter, I enhance video quality and compress files without losing clarity. This means crisp visuals, faster uploads, better retention, and more algorithm love from YouTube. Here's how simple it is. Open Wondershare Uni-Converter, link in the description. You can try it for free for 7 days. Click Video Compressor. Upload your large video file. Instantly see the before and after file sizes. Use the slider to adjust compression while keeping high quality. Hit Compress. Done. The video is now way smaller without losing quality, meaning faster uploads and no buffering issues for your viewers. More videos equals more growth equals more money. Want to try this for free? Drop Upscale me in the comments, and I'll pick one winner for a free 1-month subscription. Like and subscribe for more game-changing YouTube hacks. Next week, I'm exposing a channel using AI to clone a viral niche, making over $10,000 per month. YouTube can't stop them, and you won't want to miss it. See you on the inside.